How to deposit or withdraw on crypto.com app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you ways to withdraw or deposit on crypto.com application. The following application is not available in my region, so I'm just gonna go ahead and instruct you. So first thing, you have to go and log in into your account. You could go and log in from the web browser or an application. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. Then from the home page, you just go ahead and select account. Next, you need to tap on the crypto wallet to open it up and press the transfer button. Then you could go ahead and select withdraw or deposit, and after that select external wallet. Enter the wallet address or add a new wallet address. Click on the plus add wallet address button. Enter in the information that has been asked, type in the exact amount and select the asset, all of that, and confirm the transaction, and you'll have successfully deposited or withdraw on crypto.com app for the beginners. So that is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.